Hello, welcome to Anju's Universe. Today I'm going to make healthy tomato soup with noodles. And I'm not going to use cornstarch to make it thick. So that's why it's a healthy tomato soup. So let me show you the ingredients. First I have taken some tomatoes. I have chopped it. I have chopped it in a big chunks because I'm going to fry them. Then I'm going to make a puree out of it. So after that it is noodles. This is oats noodles. So this is also healthy. Some onion chopped. I have diced in a big pieces, chunks, because I will fry them with onions, tomatoes. So here are the spices I'm going to need. First is rosemary, some little bit, one pinch type of rosemary. After that, this is the oat we eat usually at home at breakfast. So I'm going to use oat powder into this soup to make it as a thickening agent. I don't think so we'll need this oat, because if I'm going to fry them and make a puree out of it, so it will be already thickened. So if we need, in case, so I have kept this powder also. This is oat powder. And after that, that is a dried dried herb. It's a mixed of garlic and some thyme leaves, some 2 to 3 flakes of chilies, and beside that, that is basil, dried basil or tulsi, salt according to taste, some black pepper powder. So these are the things we need for it. So I'm going to first fry the tomatoes and the onions. I put little bit of oil. Now tomatoes and onions I'm going to fry in this. It started getting little softer. I'm going to add salt. And cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. This is nicely done. I'm going to take them out in a bowl, in which I'm going to make a puree out of it. And in the same pan, I'll add some water to boil the noodles. So I'll leave the water to boil, then only I'll add the noodles into it. Meanwhile, I'm going to make a puree out of this. It's very hot now. After 2 to 3 minutes later, I'm going to make it puree. Here our water is boiling. I'm going to add the noodles into it. Let them boil for some time. So here puree out of it. Here. As you can see, Maggies are nicely boiled. I'm going to add the puree. You can see this, it's a thick. If you want to add more water, in that time only you can mix that oat powder in a water and add it. So I'm going to check it, how consistency is. Then I'm going to add the oat powder. Here I'm going to add a little bit of water. So I'm going to add the oat powder. So what I'm going to do, in same glass, I'm going to add half of this powder, and I'm going to pour some water. And mix it well. Sometime, then only I'm going to add the powder. So here it's boiling nicely. I'm going to add the oat powder water into it. And we have to keep stirring for some time, otherwise it will be lumpy. So here see, it's thick, nice, done. So I have not used any starch into it. So it's a very healthy and good for health. If you are doing dieting, you can eat this soup because it's without starch, and this noodles also, it's oats noodles. So it's nice and boiled. Now I'm going to add the seasonings. So this is the mixed herb. Some basil. Some rosemary. It's optional. You can add. Without it also it's nice. And black pepper according to taste. So our soup is ready now. I'm going to serve it in a bowl. Here's our creamy tomato soup, healthy soup. Without cream, it's tasting like a cream. So it's very healthy and enjoy it. Do give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Keep watching for new videos. See you till then. Bye.